Okay, for sale is my 2017 Hyundai Elantra Sport. Just going to give you a quick walk around of the car right now. We are selling this as a flat toe towed car. One thing to mention on this right off the bat, does have a tow plate and a tow kit installed with the wiring harness to the lights. It's an awesome running car, single owner. My wife and I are the only ones that have ever owned this car. It is super clean inside. We've really kept it in good condition. It's all leather. It's got the sport red stitching package. Get rid of that. Heated seats. Everything works. It's got the Apple Play and Android Auto in there. There's maybe a couple little scratches on the back here on the plastic. I mean, there's some scuffs on the plastic in here, but the underside of the roof, really no scratches or anything. Plastic and leather's in really good shape. Let me start the car. Got the fob. There it is. It's a 6-speed manual. I think even the new ones don't have a remote start. We had this custom installed. So there's the other piece right here, and it's done by this extra piece that you have on your fob. There is a little tiny, hopefully you can see that, scratch on the rims. There is a little bit of scuffing here and here. This is all clean, the super straight, no dents, scratches, anything on big panels. Down here, there is a couple of little scratches there. This rim does have a smaller little scuff there. That's pretty much it. That rim's clean. That whole back panel is clean. And then on the trunk, there's starting to be a little bit of fading on the paint. There's a little kind of indentation there. Clear plastic, maybe protective thing that's kind of scuffed up. I don't know if maybe this comes off, and you could take this off, or it's just there. You could put something over it, a black one. The back underside is clean. All of this is clean. The other thing, we just started to notice this on the tint. It's starting to get little bubbles there. So we do have custom dark tinted windows in the back. Yeah, the car's really clean inside and out. We kept the You've got the seats fold down in here too if you need more room. This kind of has like cracked. There's a little crack there too. I think it was part of that same thing. I mean, this rim is clean. There's nothing on that one. The whole bottom of this looks all really good. And there's some scuffing on this one right there and right there. Okay, well, I just wanted to show you guys. I wanted to make sure you saw, those scratches around the bottom, but overall the car is in really good shape. I mean, it still looks awesome. The paint and everything inside and out looks great, but there you have it. I'll stop talking now. And if you guys are interested, contact me, please. Thank you for checking this out and have a good day.